Meaning of HM Revenue and Customs.
HM Revenue and Customs.
HM Revenue and Customs.
HM Revenue and Customs.
HM Revenue and Customs. HM Revenue and Customs, HMRC, is a non-ministerial UK government department responsible for the collection and management of taxes, including income tax, corporation tax, value-added tax, VAT, and customs duties. HMRC also administers various social schemes, such as child benefit and tax credits. The department was formed in 2005 through the merger of Inland Revenue and HM Customs and Excise. HMRC plays an important role in ensuring that citizens and businesses comply with tax laws and regulations, and in collecting revenue for the UK government to fund public services.